Okay, so ovarian cysts, actually there can be many kind of cysts. Some will be non-cancerous, which we call the benign, and some will be cancerous. If it is cancerous, usually we will do the like pre-operative test, and then either oncosurgeon will join in, or we will do the surgery in a cancer center. So that is a different part. Then regarding the benign cyst, which can occur in like young ladies sometimes, sometimes what, and like sometimes it will be a clear cyst, sometimes it will be like some mixed kind of cyst with solid and cystic parts. So those can be tackled laparoscopically. Usually we do laparoscopic cystectomy. So this laparoscopic system cystectomy is a non-invasive procedure for the patient. You can say around 2 days admission stay, and recovery is quite faster. Usually they have to take rest from office or work for only 1 week. After that, she will forget that she got a surgery. So recovery and healing is much faster. And then, like what happens is laparoscopically the excision is also much better because with newer equipments and all, so we can remove the complete cyst, but we can save the ovary. So that is another one advantage. And without the patient having to go through the open surgery and the long surgical like time, so it is quite faster and convenient for surgeon as well as the patient. Fibroids are these are the like muscular tumors, like muscle growth will be there inside the uterus. It can be on the surface, it can be inside the cavity of the uterus or on the muscle. So these are tumors which will cause heavy bleeding and all. And we usually have one uterus and two ovaries on either side. So cyst means any collection of fluid or some solid mass along with fluid, that is called a cyst. Then this is commonly found in the ovarian cyst. Sometimes very rarely in the tubes also, or in the around the tubes, the paratubal cyst and all can be there. So this fibroid is in the uterus and cyst usually in the ovaries we will see. And this can impair with the, like it can, most common symptoms will be pain, sometimes accidentally detected on ultrasound, and sometimes infertility. Most patients come because of infertility and pelvic pain.